Most important question of combination. Let us see the question. Write all combination of four letters A, B, C, D taken two at a time. So it is a very easy and important question and basic of combination. So here four letter given, we have to make combination of two letter. So first combination is what? That is AB and then AC and then AD. Again taking B, so we will get BC and then BD. And then taking C, that is CD. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 combination can be possible because AB cannot be written as BA. AB and BA both are same combination. In permutation we can write AB or BA. So right answer is AB, AC, AD, BC, BD and CD. Let us see the question. The number of combination of n distinct object taken r at a time is given by. So for this type of question, what is the concept? That is NCR. Combination of n thing taken r at a time is what? NCR. So NCR equal to what? N factorial, r factorial and n minus r factorial. Right? And we can write this also, NPR is what? N factorial upon n minus r. So we can write NPR upon r factorial also, right? And you can write this also what? That is NC n minus r. Why? Because from this formula NCR n factorial n minus r factorial and n minus n plus r is what? R factorial. So we can write NC n minus r also. Let us see. So if NCX equal to NCY, that is combination of anything taken Rx at a time is equal to combination of anything taken Y at a time, then what will be the condition? So first condition is what? That is X equal to Y, or second condition is what? That is X plus Y equal to X. So if NCX equal to NCY, then this X equal to Y, or X plus Y equal to what? N. Let us see the question. If NC7 equal to NC4, then find it. So for this type of question, we can solve very easily with a simple concept of combination. So what is the condition? If NCX equal to NCY, then we can write either X equal to Y, or we can write X plus Y equal to Y. So here NC7 and C4, this 7 does not equal to 4. That means X is not equal to Y. That means simple concept is what? X plus Y. 7 plus 4. So 7 plus 4 equal to what? N. So 11 equal to N. So our correct answer is what? N equal to 11. Let us see the question. Prove that NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to what? N plus 1 CR. So we can very easily prove this question. How? First we see LHS. So LHS is given NCR. So we know formula N factorial R factorial N minus R plus NCR minus 1. So N factorial R minus 1 factorial and minus R plus 1. So this is N minus R plus 1 factorial. Now you know here this N factorial is common, here R minus 1. So we can write this N factorial, this R can be written as R into R minus 1 factorial. Here N minus R, here N minus R plus 1. So N minus R plus 1 can be written N minus R plus 1 into N minus R factorial. So write same here N minus R factorial. Plus this is N factorial and this is R minus 1 factorial and this is N minus R plus 1 and into N minus R factorial. Right? Now we can take common N factorial and here R minus 1, R minus 1. So this is r minus 1 factorial, and here n minus r, n minus r. So n minus r factorial. Now in this we get what? That is 1 by r only, and here we will get what? 1 upon n minus r plus 1. When we solve this, so this is n factorial, and this is r minus 1 factorial and minus r factorial, and this is LCM. So r into n minus r plus 1. So this is n minus r plus 1 and plus r. So this r and this r cancel out. So we will get what? N factorial into n plus 1. So n plus 1 into it. So we can write this simply n plus 1 factorial. Here r minus 1 factorial and r. So r into r minus 1 factorial, we can write what? Simply r factorial. N minus r and n minus r plus 1. So n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. So we can write what? N minus r plus 1 factorial. So we know this is n plus 1 factorial, here r factorial, and n plus 1 minus r factorial. So directly we can write n plus 1 c, and this is what? R. So n plus 1 factorial, r factorial, n plus 1 minus r. So we have proved n plus 1 cr. This is what? RHS. So LHS equal to RHS proved.